Kitty says good morning. It is 5:45.
So early.
So early. And yeah, we are on our way to Mammoth Campground. Neither of us slept real good last night. Let's hope the van turns on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes!
Oh my god. Stop.
We're off.
Everything is shaking in our car. About maybe just 30 minutes in of us driving and Octavius nonstop meowing because, you know, routines are important. I understand that. He has found his home. He loves sitting here facing Josh. Sometimes he'll sit in my lap and face this way. But I think he likes to make sure his humans are okay. So we just got here to Mammoth Campground and it is fully daylight and we are number 3 in line, which is very exciting. I thought we were going to be maybe number 12, 20, I don't know.
Yeah.
There are 80 campsites total, so we're definitely going to get a site, I think, today, assuming people head out. So the process is you basically park and wait in line. We have 2 big RVs in front of us. Basically, you fill out the form with your information, your car, vehicle information, and how many nights you want to stay. We're hoping to stay 4 nights. You just have to wait until people check out. Right now, it's about 7:45, 8 o'clock. The checkout time here is 10 a.m. So we have to wait about an hour or so to see when people roll out, and then we get parked and situated. We get a site, and then we get to hang out and do whatever we want for the rest of the day. Now 8:30, and we have made it to the front of the line. Very exciting. We also have seen a line build up in the back of our van. We have about 4 cars behind us, so it's not terrible. And we've had 2 people go ahead of us. So it's moving pretty quickly. I'm hoping that it goes pretty smoothly from here on out.
We got a site.
Yay!
All 4 nights. Couldn't be more pleased. Super glad that we got up early, actually. I think some of those people down there, we got in, the line was only 3 people long, and then about 45 minutes later, there were probably 15 to 20 people in line. So I would say get here around 7:30 during high season if you want to have a chance of getting a site. We got site number 61, which according to the person up front is the best site in the whole park. Very exciting. All right, after a far too long nap, I think I was down for like 3 hours or something, we are off for our first hike here in Yellowstone. We are leaving from the Mammoth Campground, and I think that we're walking to Mammoth Hot Springs.
That's right. There's a trailhead.
Yep. So we made it about, I don't know, 30 seconds onto the trail here, and we're greeted by our new friend Elk here. Okay, have a good one. Bye. Enjoy the shade.
We are headed to the hot springs, which have the travertine formations, which is basically when limestone and hot water steam meet. That's what we're gonna go see.
The thing I was thinking about is, can you imagine being the guys who have to build all this walkway on uneven, dangerous thermal ground? Like, those are some of the toughest, craziest people.
Heroes, some might call them.
Yes, to make this stuff accessible for the rest of us.
Thank you.
These Mammoth Hot Springs are incredible. It genuinely feels like you're on another planet as you're walking around here. Like, there are some vistas where it just looks like planet Earth is like 400 feet behind, and then what's right in front of you is just the moon or something. There's so many colors, So many weird gases, so many weird smells. It's just all new and great. And apparently orange. Earth, moon. What did you make for us?
I made some roast beef sandwiches with cheese and sweet honey mustard and mayo and romaine lettuce and onion. I remember as a kid, whenever we'd go on road trips or any vacations with my mom and her side of the family, they'd always pack large amounts of food and already prepared food. And at the time I was like, no, I want to eat a burger. I want to go out to eat. A lot of it was Chinese food that people didn't understand, like these little dumplings that we would make at home, sticky rice, I don't know, wraps you would call them. And they're called zongzi. My grandpa Waigong would make those, pre-make them, and she'd just pack them in plastic bags. And I was just like, Mom, no, it's fine, we don't need to. And she'd always try to find a hotel that had a stove so we could cook, and I didn't want that. But now I think back and I think, yeah, that's me. I want to make our own lunches. I want to eat in. I want to eat at all these cool sites. I'm feeling nostalgic and happy and grateful for my mom and my aunts because they always prepared enough food.
Home cooked meals are the best.
That's true.
Thank you for the sandwich.
Yeah.
A beautiful hike that was. Up and back down this little ridge here. Elk the entire way at the top and at the bottom.
So cool.
It's amazing how they just don't care about people at all.
They're so calm.
Yeah, we're just, passers-by.
Very majestic.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of give you some side eye, of course, as you would anytime someone walks by you and just stares and takes pictures.
All right.
I would do the same.
What a great hike. We are out of shape and really overly warm. So we're gonna chill out in our nice cool camper van for a little while. Then once it cools down a little bit, we'll probably tackle another hike that's nearby. And now, to finish up the day the right way, watching the beautiful sunset. I'm gonna climb up this thing right behind us here, all the way to the top of that thing. Looks like it's got a pretty nice trail going up to it. Shouldn't take too long.
Because you get to see a little bit of everything here. We can see the Travestine Mammoth Hot Springs that we saw earlier, and then we can see our little Sprinter van. We can see these mountain ranges. We can see the residences where people are living. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, not to mention the amazing view behind us.
Yeah, that's the valley that we drove in.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's stunning. It's
so beautiful.
Breathtaking.
The sky.
Everything that we've seen today has just blown us away.
I can't wait for the next few more days because we have so many cool things lined up. I'm so excited.
Well, Lisa, could you grab our end of day beverage?
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much for watching. We really, really appreciate it. And if you want, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free, and you'll be notified the next time that one of these things comes out. See you in the next one. Good night. Don't be like that kid.
Hi, kitty. What do you got to tell us? So many things to say.